You know, hunting whitetail deer with a shotgun has been around for decades. You know, there's no telling how many deer have been harvested across the nation with people using a shotgun. So this is something that you don't see a lot of on TV anymore. You don't see a lot of stories written about it. It's almost like it's become something that's forgotten, hunting with a shotgun. You know, the particular stand that we've got Scott set up on, I mean, it's a pop-up in kind of along a pipeline area, heavy brush to both the west and the east side of it, and it's just literally plumb full of deer trails in there. And these deer just pop out at all different angles, and they'll chase does out in the middle of it. And that's what we want to be hunting, is these big groups of does in hopes that a buck will come trolling by.
On the way out to our blind here, we saw a couple deer already, so they're out moving around, and hopefully the big one comes out, so we'll see.
I didn't really have a whole lot of expectations, because when I do that, I seem to not get a deer. It just seems that's the way it is. But we weren't there very long, maybe 30 to 40 minutes, and we saw the first deer. It was a doe. He came in, and she was there for probably 20 minutes, just hanging out, eating. And so I kind of was relaxing there a little bit. Probably about 20 minutes later, 25 minutes later, that's when the big buck came in, and he brought about 4 to 6 does in with him. That is the biggest whitetail I've ever seen. That is amazing. They asked me earlier what was my expectations. I didn't have any. That right there would have exceeded all of my expectations. That is amazing. That is freaking amazing. When I saw that buck, I knew that that's the one that, I mean, I wanted to take him. He was, I mean, it's my first buck period, but he was way bigger than anything I had anticipated. We wanted to make a sight for a shotgun in the new Lightwave design, and it worked awesome. I mean, it did everything that we expected it to do. It does such a great job of gathering light that, I mean, the sight was extremely bright, very easy to see, and it worked very well. So he should be over here. He couldn't have went far. He's running right down. We shot him right there. looking for some blood. Oh, there he is. He didn't even get in the bushes. Dang. Look at the size of that sucker. Oh my God. Yes. Very, very nice. Look at that, man.
How cool is it to see a guy like Scott who's you know, been dreaming of a moment to kill a good buck, and you know, he's had some bad breaks out there and he hadn't been able to get one, come in and knock one down in the manner he did, you know, and take it with a shotgun slug. I don't know, to me that gives me goosebumps. And when I get the text and I get the phone call that we've got success, can you come help us pick it up, can you come load it? I mean, to me that's a successful day.
Well, congratulations, Scott, on your entry into the Yamaha Whitetail Diaries.